This application shows the platform while it's performing an autonomous flight near the power lines. The goal is to flight in the proximity of a line and visually detect and track lines and isolators. Lines are detected in the image applying several pre-processing stages to it, which keeps the most significant straight line segments in the image. The power line is detected using a fast version of the Huff transform. Once the target line is isolated, isolators and other interest objects are found detecting salient points as corners along the line. Grouping salient points according with geometrical model of target object and isolator can be detected.